Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. I'm tuning back in. So we got a beautiful 2023 Honda Accord right here, and we're going to be installing this gloss black spoiler, which also comes in carbon fiber. The link's going to be in the description below, which is also on my website. So if you guys aren't following my Instagram, do so, because I do discount codes there too from time to time. But yes, I'll be showing you the proper way. So make sure you guys clean up that surface on top. Perfect fitment. So just like that, it's gonna go up. It's gonna look really nice. I like this gloss black, but you guys can have the option for carbon fiber style as well. So you want to make sure that you apply a adhesive promoter on both sides, on this side and also on that side, on the where it's gonna go. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the adhesive promoter, let it dry for about 30 seconds to 60 seconds, and then we're gonna apply 3M tables. I'll show you guys which way, and then we'll go from there. So it's flushed in really nice. Same thing on the other side, it's very nice. Fitment is perfect. Push it against the windshield in the back. So yeah, push it hard a little bit. So just kind of push it hard and hold it for about 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure it's tight, it's good to go. Give it some time to stick itself. But this is how it would look overall from the back view. And the side angle, and the top. Yep. Nice. And yeah, that's it for this part. And make sure you guys check out the website. That's where you can find it, carbon fiber style and also gloss black. Got this angle as well, side angle like this. There you go. Bottom. And then review one more time in the back. A little lower angle, centered. There you go. So that's it, fam. So now we'll be installing the spoiler next.